What's your man?
So I have a question. Like when Shane does something wrong, who's gonna be in there pressing the buzzer? Cause he's on the set. So you're brave in a bridging. Cause you know me, I never have it out for you like a long time.
Thank you, long time.
So I'm just saying.
I just say mother save him. I love his mother. It's only that saving him. I love his mom. Hey, mom.
All right, well, let's leave him alone.
All right, okay.
Maybe. If you're a normal person, brooms are synonymous for, right?
Yep.
If you're a normal person, but we are not normal people on the show. And our producer, not normal, and that's no lie. Brooms, today's props for something to smile about. We have roped in Tanya, hi T, Shane, goodbye Shane.
Yep.
Who's responsible for all the awful buzzer sounds when we get something wrong. Somebody must be in there to buzz him today, yep. or there's just no fairness in life.
Yep.
So what we're gonna do is...
The plan is you let it go and try catch mine. Everybody let go after 3.
3 seconds.
I say 1, 2, 3, and I try catch hers, she try catch his, and you try catch
And how
mine.
long do you plan to have us going in circles, Lauren?
Well, that's a 3.5 minutes. Are you
Well, somebody's gonna get dizzy.
Are you ready?
So maybe we do 3 seconds, and if we get that right, then we change the intervals to see if we can catch it faster.
Yeah. So we'll go 1, 2, 3 first.
Which
I will do
tune
the
you giving
count.
us, miss? You know, music makes us happy.
I will do the count. After 3, everybody let go.
No, we need some music first.
Okay.
Inspiration. No music?
Okay.
The TikTok has
Are you
music.
ready? 1, 2, 3.
Wait. I wasn't ready. Read them. Go back to your room. I cannot believe.
She's the only one. Okay.
All right, ready. I wasn't ready. Come on. Reflexes weren't activated.
All right, you ready?
On your mark.
No, I'm saying 1, 2, 3.
Wait.
No, man, you're too close now. Don't play with me.
Well,
we have to be equidistant. Is that the word? All right, 1.
Penultimate.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Tanya, you're down by 1.
Who is doing the buzzer in here, Shane?
You're down by 1. Tanya, you're so far from me. Look how she close to me and you far. 1, 2, 3.
Wait. Listen to me now. I'm coming in there. Who is doing the buzzer?
Well, that's Shane drop.
Who is doing the buzzer?
No.
Is it Kareem?
Lauren was doing. But this buzzer rise, guys, him drop. That buzzer was nice.
Yes.
I hear one drop.
Yes, run it again.
I hear
Buzz
one
again.
drop. I hear one
Buzz
drop.
again, please.
Thank
Longer.
Thank you.
Now you see how it feels.
Hold on, wait now. Make it a little bit wide, a little bit
It's
more
too
difficult.
dodgy.
No, a little bit. No, that's too far from sing.
You are wicked.
Ready?
Ba, 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 ba,
1, 2, 3.
Da. Savannah.
1, 2, 3.
Wait, never wasn't ready. That's not.
That's the point. That's the point.
You have to wait until
no,
I'm
but that's the
situated.
point. If everybody get comfortable and
No,
thing.
but that's not fair.
No, that's the point. 1, 2, 3.
Wait. Give me my broom.
Someone say give him a broom.
You're not play fair. All right. Ready.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 3.
2, 1.
3.
No, you glitter. Pushing broom down the ground. Come. All right.
Ready? 2, 3. 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh, we could go that way.
Anti-clockwise.
All right, now.
Busy.
We're going to try.
1, 2,
3.
1, 2. Oh.
Who did that?
Pardon you?
But nobody never dropped nothing.
That is what you do inside. Make everybody trigger happy. Ready?
2, 3.
What? All right. Now,
What?
go out some more.
Yeah.
Go out some more, T. Ready?
And we're going back that way now.
But you're going to make us dizzy.
All right, hold on now. We're going cross. You go some, me go some. Come now.
Wait. No, this is a bad plan.
Hold
No,
on.
this is a bad plan.
As long as we have an ambulance
No,
outside.
this is a collision.
This is that we go on,
No,
man.
Nev. All
Ready?
right.
Going
ready?
across now.
1, 2,
2,
3.
3. By the way, I am the only person that have a broom in my hand. Oh.
Shane literally charged right into me. On purpose. Do not touch me. No, Shane.
Well, if we never know what Kendall crash was all about.
No, Kendall was a whole lot worse.
Yeah.
That
there you
was
go.
genius. Let's try it again.
No.
No, I'm just joking.
All right, we're going to go for a break. Still some more to go.